Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a faux lash tutorial. Well, not like an official one, but this is basically what I do to get my faux lashes that I'm always wearing. I'm trying a new lash. These are the lashes I'm trying. I got them from Amazon. And so let's see how they work. So these are the lashes that I am wearing all the time. These are also from Amazon. These are 25mm lashes. I will post a link to where I got these from. So a couple things that you're going to need for this lash tutorial are a pair of lash scissors. You're going to need some type of tweezer that will help you get really close to your eye because you're going to be going under your eye like that. And you're going to need one of these little spoolies. You can get these from Amazon. So everything I'm showing in this video I got from Amazon. So just one of these little spoolies. And these help you just comb through your lashes, your own lashes, and the false lashes so that you can make sure that everything is the way it's supposed to be. They use these when they're using when they're doing real lash extensions. And you're going to be using a lash glue. The lash glue that I use is a knockoff from the House of Lashes brand lash glue, and this is also on Amazon. This is how it looks. So yeah, let's get started. So next thing I want to say is easier to apply your lashes when you have no makeup on, and that's why I look like a naked mole rat right now, because the best adhesion happens when your lashes have no makeup, no oil, no foundation. So actually, before I start, I'm going to wash my face. But this lash comes with 3 of them. So I'm just going to be picking one out, and I'm going to be cutting it into 3 sections. And after that, it's pretty fast.
So what I'm spraying on my lashes here is just some alcohol, just so that I can have them sanitized. Even though they're new, fresh out the pack, it's always great to sanitize your lashes. And here I'm just showing you how I've cut them up into sections. And that's the end piece that I'm going to be measuring at the end to see how many that I need. And that's the other eye. So I'm showing you that I'm applying lash glue to the top of the lash. And this is important because usually when you apply strip lashes, you apply glue to the back of the lash band because it's going to sit on top of your eyelashes. But when you're doing this method, you're going to apply lash glue to the top of the lash band because that's going to sit under your lash line. So you want to wait till the lashes are tacky, and then you just want to apply them one by one, piece by piece. As you can see here, I'm pulling back my eyelid and I'm going to just plop it right on. And once I get it in the position that I want it here, I'm taking the tip of the tweezer and I'm just going to press it gently onto my lashes. And it's really simple. I know I probably make it look like it's easy, but I've been doing this for going on 2 years now. So I'm really good at this. But if you are scary and you kind of blink a lot when things are coming towards your eye, I don't know if this is something that you want to try. So just a warning. But yeah, I just applied the second lash. And as you can see, it's going on pretty easily because it's in sections. This would be a lot more difficult if this was still in the full strip. And then I'm just going to take the back of the tweezer and push it gently to get the lashes to sit up a certain way. And yeah. Here I am getting ready to apply the second lash on the next eye. And this is all in real time. Like, I'm not speeding anything up. I just like cut in between cuts. But these clips I'm edited over just like maybe two to 2.5 minutes apart. It doesn't take me a long time to do this. But like I said, I have been doing this for a very long time, so I've gotten pretty good at it. So you will need practice. In the beginning, I had to take them off and reapply them and reposition them and try to figure out what was comfortable for my eye. But like I said, I've gotten very good at this, and I can do this in less than 10 minutes, really. So here I'm just applying the corner lash cluster, I guess you could say, for the ends of my eyes. So I did not put this lash extremely close to the beginning corner of my eyes, because sometimes that's uncomfortable. And this lash has like a lot of little like sporadic lashes that like flutter out, and sometimes when it's like that, that's uncomfortable. So I put it farther over, which caused me to have less space at the end. So that's why I had to make these little tiny ones. But yeah, now I'm just going over them and making sure that everything is pushed up and where it's supposed to be. And this is how it turned out. And yeah, this was pretty simple, and that's how it looks. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed day.